Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to see your friend's location on Snapchat. So this feature is called Snap Map. So you go to there and then you can see where your friends are. So you can just press on your friend, their Bitmoji, and then you can see where exactly your friend is. So if you want to see other location, just zoom out by pinching it out, and then yeah, so just you can just swipe your screen, and then you see your other friends. So like there I can just zoom in, and then I can just press on that person's Bitmoji, and then you can see where their location is. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.